Why is form handling and validation important in web development, particularly in terms of data integrity and security? Form handling and validation ensure that only correct and safe data enters the system. They protect the application from malicious inputs that could compromise security. What what are some key Laravel features that help prevent security vulnerabilities such as SQL injection and CSRF handling from data? Laravel provides CSRF protection and automatic input sanitation through its validation system. Its ORM also prevents SQL injection by using preferred statement. Explain creating a basic form in Laravel using Blade and handling submission in a controller with validation rules. A basic Laravel form is created using a Blade template and submitted to a controller route. The controller then validates the input using request validate before processing it. How can customizing validation error message improve UX? Example of customizing and displacing error in Blades. Custom validation message make errors more user friendly and easy to understand. This improves user experience by guiding users on what exactly needs to be corrected. Benefits of centralizing validation logic in Laravel and contribution to maintainability. Centralized validation in Laravel helps maintain consistency across the application. It also makes the code easier to update and maintain in the future. Assessment 2. Role of middleware in Laravel's authentication system and how it protects roots. Middleware in Laravel acts as filter that checks if a user allowed to access a root. It helps protect restricted page by redirecting unauthorized users. How Laravel authentication handle registration, login, session, tokens, and input validation. Laravel's authentication system automatically handle login, registration, validation, and session creation. It ensure that only verified users receive active session tokens. Important of SQL injection prevention and XSS protection in login form and how Laravel assist. Secure measure like SQL injection and XSS protection prevent attackers from abusing login form. Laravel assists by escaping users' input and using secure database queries, creating applying custom middleware to restrict access based on roles. Admin. Custom middlewares allow developers to check our user roles before granting access to a route. This ensures the only authorized roles like admins can view a specific page. Scalability of Laravel's authentication for many users. Management or token-based. Laravel support token-based authentication and session scaling for high trafficking system. This features allows it handle more user without performance issues. Assessment 3. K handle ay, K step in implementing create operation in Laravel Blade. From handling. The create operation that starts in Blade from that send data to a controller. The controller then validates the store of data in the database. Importance of data validation sanitization include how Laravel ensures security. Ensure that only safe data ensure process improve operation. Laravel automatically handle this through its built-in validation system. Implementing read operation to retrieve and display a data using controller in Blade. Read operation retrieve data using a controller in display it in a Blade view. Laravel's Oleken makes this process quick and efficient. Purpose of update operation handling submission to a modified data. Update allows users to modify existing records using a form pre-filled with data. After submission, the controller validates and updates the data in record. Ensure delete operation is a secure prevent unauthorized removal rule of validation. Delete operation must confirm user permission before removing data. Validation and confirmation steps are used to prevent accidental deletion. Assessment 4. Purpose of Google reCAPTCHA and how it enhances security when integrated with forms. Google reCAPTCHA helps verify that a real human and submitting a form. It prevents spam and automated bot attack in effective effectively. Process of obtaining and regis- registering reCAPTCHA case and updating domain for production. To use reCAPTCHA, you must register your site and get a site key and a secret key from Google. Updating the domain is required when moving from develop to production. Integrating reCAPTCHA into a Laravel using a package and adding field. Integration start by installing a reCAPTCHA package and adding the widget in the Blade form. The form submission then sent in a token that must be verified. Validating reCAPTCHA response in Laravel and the role of secret case. Laravel validates the reCAPTCHA response by sending it Google along with the secret key. Only valid tokens allowed from submission to continue. Custom, customizing error message for field reCAPTCHA and handling errors in a Laravel controller. Customizing error message helps user understand why their submission was blocked. This improves users' experience by giving clear guidance after a failed attempt.